Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my Easter card for 2021. Okay, this year I was inspired by Jill Norwood. She had shared this bunny on her channel, and she's been sharing a lot of cards with this bunny, and they're adorable. And I'll have Jill's channel down below so you can go check her out. She is a great crafter. I've been following her for years now. So thank you, Jill, for showing me this bunny. It's adorable. I used this paper from American Crafts, and I believe I got this at ACU Moore, and no, I should have bought tons of it when I had the chance. I thought they were going to be here forever, but they're closed. What else did I use? I used this really pretty embossing folder, and I used this stamp. I used Victorian velvet. This egg, double-stitched egg from My Creative Time. It's called Scallop Egg Dies, and it was the perfect size. I did some Copic coloring. I used R00 and R83. I love this. It's almost like a rusty rose color. I added some ribbon, and then here are my what do you call it? My bunnies. I stamped them on gray cardstock. Added some eyelashes, some little details with the Copics, and I used this gel pen. I think it's a gel pen. Yeah. I've had others and they've dried up. So I think I bought this at Hobby Lobby, and it's really, really good. I really like it. So here is my simple card for Easter. She's just so cute. I pop-dot her up. So I laid down some paper, I embossed some white cardstock and inked the edges with the Victorian velvet, added some eggs, I added a bow to her head, and a little pearl from my stash. Very simple, but I like it. So I want to thank everybody for watching today. Here is my Easter card for 2021. And thank you, Jill, for your inspiration. I appreciate it. Love watching all your videos, and I'm yet to join in on your Saturday morning makes, and I'm going to try and do it this weekend. I'm going to try. I don't know if I can, but I will. Hopefully. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.